Alright guys, welcome to another video of Cute Benny, and today we're outside in a Witchlow tornado watch. Orange tornado watch, guys. But it's fine. We like putting in the windows. It was more of a bunch of views. But how did this all happen? Let's go back in time. Alright guys, I time traveled back to 11:31. So no, you can see it's just clouds rolling in. Oh, so I'm heading back to school after doctors. I say no, let's go back to the Saturday thing. No, that experience was so cool, man. Trust me. They've issued an orange of what? Can you hear the thunder? Yes, you can. Now let's play with Benny. Okay, well, I couldn't find a ball, but I found this walk. Hey, Benny! He tries to get into it, we let him to walk, and then he doesn't get it. Why how about let's play Swiggy with him? He likes Swiggy. Let's do it. Yeah, he literally broke the whole thing and then went live on it. Also, the severe thunderstorm ended, but the tornado watch is not going to end until like 2 in the morning. So this is my last video. Goodbye. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. At the end of the video, enjoy the awesome ASMR